10 foods to eat during chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a common cancer treatment that uses one or more drugs to combat cancer cells in your body. Its symptoms, which may include dry mouth, taste changes, nausea, and fatigue, can make eating seem like a chore. However, it's important to eat a healthy, balanced diet during cancer treatment to keep your body functioning optimally. Foods that are mild in flavor, easy on your stomach, and nutrient-dense are some of the best options. Here are 10 foods to eat during chemotherapy. 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal provides numerous nutrients and is palatable if you're experiencing chemo symptoms like dry mouth, mouth sores, and nausea. Its fiber can also help keep your bowel movements regular. 2. Avocado. Avocados are a nutritional powerhouse. With plenty of fat and fiber, they can keep you full and provide needed calories when your appetite is low. 3. Eggs. Eggs may ease fatigue due to their combination of protein and fats. Additionally, they're easy to eat if you have mouth sores. 4. Broth. Clear broth helps you stay hydrated and replenished, especially if water starts tasting differently during your chemo. You can add veggies or protein if you are feeling able to handle solid food. 5. Almonds and other nuts. Almonds boast an impressive number of nutrients, including manganese and copper, and serve as an ideal snack. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are great on-the-go snacks and are especially rich in healthy fats and iron. Yet, if you have iron overload, you may want to limit your intake. 7. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli and other cruciferous veggies are high in nutrients your body needs. In particular, broccoli contains sulforaphane, a plant compound that may help protect brain health. 8. Homemade smoothies. Smoothies are a great option for times when eating is difficult. Plus, they're an ideal way to add fruit and veggies to your diet. 9. Bread or crackers. White bread and crackers can be helpful if diarrhea or nausea set in. Saltines can help restore sodium loss to diarrhea or vomiting. 10. Fish. Fish can be a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D+. Eating protein and fat-rich foods like fish high in omega-3s can help prevent unwanted weight loss, and vitamin D is important for immunity. Aim to eat 2 servings per week. Chemotherapy can trigger a host of side effects, including dry mouth, taste changes, fatigue, mouth sores, and nausea. These can make eating difficult or unappealing. Knowing what foods to eat, such as bland foods for mouth sores and wet or creamy textures for dry mouth, may help nourish your body while navigating cancer treatment. It's advantageous to pack nutritious, travel-friendly foods to your appointments. Practicing food safety is also important to lower your risk of food poisoning. However, if you experience difficulty chewing or swallowing during your treatment, talk to your healthcare provider.